Hi friends, today you are going to be putting words together to make a sentence and drawing a picture that matches your sentence. And I'll show you an example. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have a piece of paper that you need to cut up, and it's going to have a lot of words on it. You'll need to find the words and put them in the right order. So in my example, I put "we sing songs in kindergarten." Once I put them in the right order, glue them onto your paper, draw a picture that matches the sentence, and then when you finish, you can read your sentence to yourself. Good luck, and I can't wait to see all of your wonderful drawings and sentences.